Hi guys, I'd like to introduce you to a new tool that I've created called ProtoPilot Annotate. As an interaction designer and prototyper, I primarily work with product designers using Figma, and it's my job to turn their Figma flows and vision into a realistic working prototype. To do that, I need to understand how they envision their designs working, but that's sometimes really hard to figure out from a flow on its own, and that's where ProtoPilot Annotate comes in. Annotate is a purpose-built Figma library that enables designers to annotate their designs for interaction. It's made up of a number of components that make it really quick and easy to annotate designs and accounts for every eventuality. Simply drag and drop annotations, connect them together, and choose the interactions you want from the pre-populated drop-down lists. You can also toggle on a number of useful options to deal with more complex situations, and even add custom ones. Annotate does this by leveraging the power of Figma components and property overrides, so everything you need is conveniently accessible from the Figma properties panel that you're familiar with. You can use the library to annotate for handover to interaction designers like me, or even to your engineering team. If you'd like to find out more and get early access, you can contact me on LinkedIn, or you can book a call using the link in the comments. ProtoPilot Annotate is just the beginning of a range of helpful tools and services that I'm offering through ProtoPilot, the experts in advanced interaction design and prototyping, to help you deliver cutting-edge digital experiences.